The freehold market in Toronto is out of control. And so in today's video, I want to share with you a few examples of what I mean, but most importantly, I want to share how this buying frenzy, I think, might be the savior for the Toronto condo market. Freehold, by the way, is anything that doesn't have a forced condo or maintenance fee attached to it. Okay, so you want to know just how nutty the housing market is? This is just one example, although there are many others. Last Friday, I called a brokerage to book an appointment for a property that they had listed for sale. I was told that they had showings booked every 30 minutes from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. until their offer date, which was 5 days later. For those of you counting at home, that's 126 showings booked straight back to back. And that doesn't count the ones that they already had since the property had been on the market for about a day and a half. So houses are selling for tons of money with lots of people fighting for them. So what does that have to do with the condo market? Now, this is just an opinion and a theory, but I think there's going to be a trickle-down effect. Certain buyers are going to get squeezed out of purchasing a home, and they'll have three options: keep renting, move further outside of the city, or buy a condo. While there have been plenty of people leaving Toronto, there also are clearly plenty of people who want to stay and are demonstrating that they no longer want to rent. Remember, 126 showings in 5 days. So those people will have to turn to the next best available option that they can afford. And I think that's likely to be the 2-bedroom townhouse or condo. And as demand for those types of places increases, so do prices. And so another group of buyers hoping to get into that 2-bed condo segment of the market get squeezed out, and they in turn have to move down and settle for a 1+ den. And so you get the idea about how pressure on a certain part of the market can increase demand in other parts of the market and therefore in turn increase prices. I'm not entirely convinced that all types of properties can be saved by these kinds of dynamics. Places that have poor natural light, are very small, have no balconies, or some other kind of unsavory characteristic may continue to languish on the market as people's priorities have changed because of the pandemic. However, there's a chance that all buyers, no matter what their budget is, get swept up into this frenzied buying market, and that just happens to be what the Toronto condo market needs to rebound from its recent lull. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. I want to thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you again. Take care.